Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Enter the efficient world of demolition, where towering structures and buildings are skillfully dismantled. This intricate process employs controlled explosions, wrecking balls, and high-reach excavators, combining precision and power. Skilled professionals strategically weaken and disassemble structures, ensuring safety and minimal environmental impact. From urban renewal to removing obsolete buildings, this synergy of technology and expertise shapes the landscape for new possibilities. If you've experienced demolition firsthand or have thoughts to share, comment below and stay tuned for more innovative construction updates. Explore the intricate world of power transmission line installation with Rotex. This highly specialized process involves the establishment of high voltage lines, which act as vital conduits for the transmission of electricity across vast distances. Rotex, with its cutting-edge technology and expert engineering, plays a pivotal role in ensuring these power lines are not only correctly installed, but also meticulously maintained. This process is indispensable, whether it's in urban settings or the most remote locations, as it enables the efficient distribution of electricity to homes, businesses, and industries. Power transmission lines are the lifeblood of modern society, driving economic development and providing the energy required for our increasingly electrified world. Experience the challenging field of snow removal with the reliable Overrasen UTV 400 and Cat Mesta 300. With the onset of winter, these formidable machines are at the forefront of the tireless struggle to keep our roads, streets, and pedestrian areas clear. Armed with state-of-the-art snow plowing equipment and de-icing systems, the Overrasen UTV 400 and Cat Mesta 300 are proving indispensable for municipal and commercial snow removal, with roles ranging from clearing the extensive highway network to ensuring the safe operation of airport runways, making them indispensable in maintaining important transportation routes. These snowplows are unsung heroes who diligently serve public safety and mobility during the winter season. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Step into the world of logging with the cornerstone of the forestry industry, which involves a series of complex steps. The process begins with the careful selection of trees for harvesting, which balances economic interests with environmental protection. Once on the forest floor, the logs are trimmed and sawn into manageable pieces. These logs are then loaded onto trucks, often with specialized equipment, and transported to sawmills or processing plants, where they are turned into a variety of wood products. The harvesting process requires careful planning and execution to minimize environmental impact and ensure the sustainability of our forests, while contributing to the global supply chain of timber and forest-related products. Delve into the efficient process of silage cutting with the Josh Deere 6810 and Massey Ferguson 8250. These agricultural machines excel at harvesting and preserving forage crops for livestock feed. Utilizing cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, they ensure the precise and optimal cutting of silage, contributing to reduced waste and the production of high-quality animal feed. From dairy farms to livestock operations, these machines are essential for supporting healthy and productive herds. Intrigued by silage cutting technology? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Coal loading is a critical step in the mining and energy production processes, and the Cat 994K is the unsung hero that ensures this operation runs seamlessly. This massive wheel loader is purpose-built to efficiently load coal and other bulk materials in open-pit mines and coal stockyards. With its remarkable capacity and state-of-the-art technology, the Cat 994K guarantees a steady supply of coal to meet the ever-growing demands for energy production. Its precision, power, and unwavering reliability make it an indispensable player in the global energy supply chain. In a world where uninterrupted energy is paramount for keeping industries, businesses, and households functioning, The Cat 994K takes center stage, silently but significantly contributing to power generation and the smooth operation of various processes. Explore the essential task of maintaining roadsides near highways and roads with the innovative Herder guardrail system. This cutting-edge technology plays a pivotal role in ensuring the safety and functionality of our road networks. It is designed to efficiently move and adjust guardrails, making road maintenance a more streamlined and cost-effective process. From fixing guardrails damaged by accidents to routine adjustments, the Herder guardrail system offers a versatile solution. By swiftly repositioning guardrails, it enhances road safety and minimizes disruption during maintenance, contributing to the well-being of commuters and the longevity of our road infrastructure. The world of rig movements is a carefully coordinated operation that involves transporting a drilling rig from one location to another. Massive drilling rigs play a crucial role in the oil and gas industry, enabling the extraction of valuable resources from beneath the Earth's surface. Rig relocation requires careful planning, specialized equipment, and highly skilled labor to ensure a safe and efficient transition. The process involves dismantling the rig, including the derrick and other components, for transportation. Once dismantled, the components are loaded onto heavy-duty vehicles and secured. The drilling rig is then transported to the new drilling site, where it is reassembled and prepared for operation. The movement of drilling rigs is a testament to human engineering and logistical prowess, as they enable the exploration and production of vital energy resources that drive the world's energy industry. Resource loading is a fundamental process that is critical in industries such as mining, construction, and logistics. This operation involves the careful and efficient movement of valuable resources, such as minerals, raw materials, or cargo onto various vehicles, including trucks, trains, and ships, for further distribution or processing. Accuracy, safety, and proper weight distribution are important aspects of this task to prevent damage and accidents and ensure optimal resource utilization. Resource loading plays an indispensable role in maintaining a continuous flow of materials, sustaining production, and promoting economic growth and development. Immerse yourself in the fascinating world of harvesting. It is an important agricultural operation, and the Case 11 combine harvester plays a central role in this process. This reliable machine is designed to efficiently harvest and thresh crops such as wheat, corn, and soybeans. Thanks to its advanced technology and high performance, it ensures a productive harvest, contributing to food production and the success of the agricultural sector. Harvesting is an important step in providing food for our communities and beyond. The Case 11 Combine Harvester is the unsung hero of our modern agriculture, helping to meet the growing global demand for food. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!